Welcome to Annexa on Air. I'm Annexa, Head of Customer Success here at Annexa, and today we're going to talk about SuiteCommerce. SuiteCommerce is your e-commerce solution that's fully unified with NetSuite, order management and inventory processes. You can manage both your B2C and B2B e-com flows through NetSuite, and it's global. It's supported with multiple currencies, multiple brands, and multiple languages. With e-commerce, your architects will have full access to the underlying code, so they'll be able to customize and make it look like your own. The storefront is really great for your shoppers. You've got unlimited control with your layouts to make it as easy as possible to find your products. Through drag and drop tools, management of the site and content is really simple to use for your own staff as you maintain your websites. Through search capabilities, SEO, it's very customizable. It also leverages your meta tags, schema.org to make searching very easy. And then via marketing tools, you've got lots of flexibility around your gift vouchers and promotion tools. What you get out of the box is a customer account, so access to the order history. They can also check their order status, everything that's happened within their own account. It's really flexible in terms of integration with different payment methods, credit cards, gift cards, even invoicing and your different payment gateways. And of course, as it's unified with NetSuite, it's global, supporting all the multiple different jurisdictions, taxes, currencies, languages, and of course international shipping to get your goods out to customers. And the great thing is for insights, there's really good analytics, dashboards to monitor exactly what's happening with the traffic within your system. If you'd like to hear more about SuiteCommerce, please feel free to reach out to your customer success manager and we'll get in touch to show you a bit more about it. Thank you.